Okay, so imagine pulling an all-nighter. You're tired, right? Now imagine doing that for 2 nights. You feel like a zombie. But what if I told you there's a guy who hasn't slept in over 21,000 nights since 1962? This is Thai Ngoc, a farmer from Vietnam. One day he got a fever. Bam! After that, he never slept again. No naps, no rest. Just awake. Bro, I stay up past midnight, and I look like I got hit by a truck. But this dude, he's out here plowing fields, hauling rice bags, just existing like it's normal. Doctors checked him out, and guess what? Nothing wrong with him. No insomnia meds, no health issues, just vibes. Scientists are like, how is this possible? And Thai's just like, eh. So, is he a medical mystery or a real-life superhuman?